Hey YouTube, it's JV aka the MacGyver here again with another video of the garage door installs at our barn. It snowed overnight, so I took out the tractor to clear all the snow, getting it ready for the contractors to show up and install the garage doors. So before the installers arrived, I got out there and took down my temporary tarps, which has been keeping some of the snow and the rain out of the garage, and just tidied things up in preparations for them when they got there. When the installers arrived, they realized I had forgotten to put in some extra back framing at the top of each of the garage doors. So that's what you see me doing on the scaffolding. I'm just putting in some extra 2x8s vertically so that the spring bracket has a place to be mounted. So the garage doors that we chose are made up of 7 sections, each 21 inches high. Each section is lifted from the truck and put in place, and then the appropriate hinge hardware is fastened to hold it all together. It turned out to be a little bit more in-depth of a process in deciding the garage doors than I originally thought. Because the garage doors are 12 foot 6 high and 12 foot wide, our options for colors and styles were not as abundant for, say, standard size doors like a 7x7 or an 8x8. We ended up choosing a Canadian-made garage door called the Bronte Creek Carriage House Series. It's 1.75 inches thick with an R value of 16.3. And we ended up choosing the Bronte Creek XL pattern in the Rosewood Colour with arched windows and a wrought iron insert. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our garage door install. Please like and subscribe. Leave any comments below and any suggestions of any future videos that you'd like me to do. Thanks very much. Take care. Bye-bye. Stay tuned for our next video where I show you how I install the windows on the main floor.